Today I am going to discuss how to find the points of a linear equations in two variables. This method is called graphical method, but I am not going to draw the graph here. Only I will try to explain the technique. A shortcut to find the points of a linear equation in two variables. So let us consider the first equation: 3x plus twice y equal to 4. This is the first equation. So keep x on the left hand side, then remaining all bring to the right hand side. So plus twice y will be minus twice y on the right hand side. We need to keep the value of x only, so divide left hand side by 3, then right hand side also by 3. So x equal to 4 minus twice y by 3. So first we find a point. Here if you put 0, then it will be 4 minus 0 equal to 4 by 3. So will be a fraction, we'll leave it. If you put 1, then 4 minus 2 into 1 equal to 2. So in the denominator 3, so it will be again a fraction. So here we will put 2. So 4 minus 2 into 2 is 4 by 3. This one 4, this one also 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 by 3 equal to 0. So we have found the first point. First point is x equal to, sorry, here x equal to, yes, x equal to 0 and y equal to 2. So remaining 2, 3, 4 points, any number of points we can find easily by using this shortcut. Let us see what is the shortcut. So our first point is x is 0, y is 2. So to get the numbers in the row of y, you just take this number 3. So 2 plus 3, you add that 3, then 2 plus 3 is 5. Again add 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Again, to get the value in the row of x, you just go to the number with y, that means coefficient of y, that is minus 2. So already one number is 0, then 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is, I have calculated here, 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Again minus 2 is minus 4. If you want to find the next point, here will be minus 6 and here will be 8. Already 8 plus 3, so here will be minus 6 and here will be 11. Now let us go to the second equation. From the second equation we get x equal to 7 plus 3y by 2. So here also we'll put 1. If you put 1, then it will be 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 7 is 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. So here the first solution is x equal to 5 and y equal to 1. So remaining, to find the remaining solutions, what we have to do, you will use the same technique. Here see the number is 2 in the denominator, so you have to add 2. 1 plus 2, so 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Again 3 plus 2, every time you have to add 2 because that number 2 is there in the denominator. So again 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5. And in the row of x, means this is for y, and in the row of x you have to go to the number which y, that means the coefficient of y. Here coefficient of y is 3, so 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 5, then plus 3 equal to 8. So the next number will be equal to 8. Again 8 plus 3, every time you have to add 3. 8 plus 3 will be equal to 11. So in this way we can find the points, and these points we have to put on the graph paper. But in this here I am not going to draw on the graph paper. I have given only you the technique how to find the points. This is a shortcut. If you can find the first point correctly, then remaining points you can find easily using this technique. So I think it will be helpful for you. Just practice, because practice will make you perfect. Otherwise, you will not understand anything. Thank you.